It's called Nature's Botox. But does castor oil really smooth wrinkles, plump lips, and grow lashes? Or is that just hype? Well, I've tested it. I've read the science, and here's the truth. You won't hear it on TikTok. And yes, I'll tell you what exactly to buy and look for in yours. I'm Dr. Rajani. I've been injecting faces for over 25 years. No injections today, though. Don't click away. Today's all natural and inexpensive. Well, castor oil is actually a vegetable oil derived from the castor beans of the castor oil plant Ricinus communis. Now, what are the benefits of using castor oil on your skin? Of course, preventing wrinkles, fighting acne. Castor oil has antibacterial properties. Next is reducing puffiness, moisturizing. Moisture keeps your skin looking young, shiny, and healthy. Now here's something you probably didn't know. Almost every lipstick on the market already has castor oil in it. Companies don't brag about it because it's a very cheap filler. It's been the secret behind glossy lips for decades, and most people don't even know it's in there. And yes, I know it looks like the thickest oil you've ever put on your face, almost like motor oil. But all naturally, it has what's called in it ricinoleic acid. And it actually is that ingredient that fights acne, bacteria, and reduces inflammation instead of clogging pores. And that's the paradox most people miss. This is why it's primarily called Nature's Botox. Think pesky lines, accordion lines, lateral to the nasolabial lines, lip lines. It's astonishingly effective as an emollient, and it plumps like filler and removes wrinkles like Botox. And by the way, for you warm climate enthusiasts, it can soothe a sunburn as well. Quick side note, castor oil can actually beat aloe vera for sunburn relief in science. It locks in moisture while calming inflammation, so the skin heals faster with less peeling. If you have dry lips, use castor oil. Now the castor oil we want for our faces, 100% pure organic, cold pressed, extra virgin, and chemical or hexane free. The castor oil I use and the one I recommend to my patients, it's certified organic, it's in a glass bottle, and it's cold pressed. No chemicals. If you want to purchase that one, I linked it and pinned it to the comment section of this video. I also put it in the more info section below this video with the coupon code for you. Use the promo code Rajani30, all capital letters. And if you're using one now, look and see that it's cold pressed, certified organic, and in a glass bottle if possible. That ensures it's going to work. Castor oil is thick, so you should mix it with a carrier oil, at least to start with, before putting it on your face. I actually use it straight, but if you want to, you can put it with coconut oil. Almond is a good choice. Olive oil, there's many people that do that. You could also add it to shea butter for a little extra moisturizing effect. Often not needed, but some of you I know like that. Now apply this mixture to your face before bed. It's mostly a nighttime thing. After cleansing your skin, you then put on the oil, you leave it on overnight, or alternatively, you could wipe it off with a warm cloth after say 1 to 5 minutes. You don't need anything before or after it, but if you have a light vitamin C or a hyaluronic acid like mine, apply that first, wait about 2-3 minutes, and then put this oil on top. That's a stunning combination. Now, let's get controversial here. It happens. Lashes. You see, lash serums with prostaglandins like Latisse, well, they cause permanent fat loss around the eyes. It can happen. Hollowing that makes you look older. I'm going to link a video at the end. I've done many videos on this with before and after showing you how bad it looks when you lose fat around the eyes from these so-called lash conditioners, because many of the lash serums on the market, they hide the ingredients, names of prostaglandins that are complex you may not even recognize. deception. Now, castor oil, it does act in a similar way as prostaglandins, the same pathway. But here's the kicker. There's no evidence, zero evidence, that it causes fat pad loss. That's why people trust it, even though it shares some of the same mechanisms as Latisse and those lash conditioners you might be using today. Again, go watch that video. I'll link it at the end. I list them in that video, so if you're using one, you can see if it's one that you might be on. So does it really make your eyelashes and brows grow? Though there's no hard evidence that it can help the lash grow, there's tons of anecdotal evidence. But there is some evidence that the ricinoleic acid, that's the chemical compound that makes up about 90% of the oil, helps reverse hair loss. So what you want to do and follow these steps. So number one, but for the eyes especially, do your patch test. Put it on an area, your arm or back behind the ear. Make sure you're not sensitive to it. Number two, the best time to treat your eyelashes, once again, before you go to bed. Number three, make sure your eyelashes are clean, completely free of any makeup. Number four, pick up a small amount of castor oil. You can dip it in a cotton swab and then into the oil and put it on your lash. Look for that, instead of using the big cotton swab because you're going to get it in your eye likely, look for that little wisp, put it only on the lashes or the brow. Now, any oil that gets into your eye, it can be irritating. So you want to wash it out immediately with water or saline. Just rinse your eye. And number six, you want to wash off the castor oil in the morning with water, or makeup remover will work, whatever you have. But you do want to remove it. Now, what about the prostaglandin effects around the eye? Well, there is some prostaglandin effect of castor oil. And after over 25 years in the field of aesthetics, I've never once seen a patient lose fat pads from castor oil. Use smart, it's safe and powerful. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.